Let me see you put it on, girl. See you put it on. Hey! Chill! It's delicate fabrics.
Fine. It's taking my hair out. Well, the hair I bought.
Yeah, now let me see you whip. Nay, nay. Whip, whip. Nay, nay. Oh, Carlton. Oh, yeah. Look at them crazy legs. Thank you, leg. Look at that stanky leg. Oh, look at that stanky leg. All right, so what do we have on the menu today?
Shredded chicken chili.
Oh, that sounds
It is so cold
good.
outside, and so I feel like this recipe is so perfect. It's gonna be good, and as always, it's so easy and so quick. So the recipe will be down in the description, so check that out for all of the details.
Yeah.
You're gonna need shredded chicken, 1 tablespoon of butter, half an onion chopped, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, half a can of tomato paste. You're also gonna need, which is in here, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and half tablespoon of garlic powder. And then 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is in the refrigerator until I need that.
We'll get that out in a bit.
Yeah. And then a little salt and pepper to season at the end, just for taste.
Oh, we haven't poured up the wine.
Sprite with beer?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
That's gonna be good. This cranberry Sprite is life. About to have our classy drinks, of course. Cheers. Baby, I'm chilling, you relaxing?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it good?
Very good. It actually is pretty good.
It is good.
I didn't lie. He's becoming more and more adventurous every day. Don't hit your chin, boy. Gonna bite the tip of your tongue off. Somebody release that baby. Sneaking a drink.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with the recipe. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna melt it in the pan. Get that all nice and melted. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna add the onions to the pan. Y'all know, he always hating on the onions.
I hate onions. They stink. They make me cry.
So I'm gonna cook those until they are kind of transparent. And we'll move on with the rest of the recipe. Alright, so the onions are cooked. So now we're just gonna honestly just add all of the other ingredients except the cream cheese. Start with the chicken. Add the chicken in there. And this is from a rotisserie chicken. So
yeah, mommy don't like to touch
meat,
chicken.
so I've decided that I just
general.
buy cooked meat and just use.
Make it easy on herself.
And then this is 2 cups of chicken broth with half of the can of tomato paste. So 3 ounces. I'm gonna add the combo of garlic, cumin, and chili powder. So add that in there. Now I'm gonna add the diced tomatoes, undrained. Throw that in there. Oh, that's the good stuff.
Looking like you chopped somebody up. Yo, Chapo.
And then mix it together.
That
And
looks good.
yeah, oh. I'm just gonna let this cook. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for like 10 minutes.
Okay. It's beginning to smell a lot like chili. Off up in our kitchen.
I didn't know what you was about to say.
Ooh, get it, girl. Get
Ooh,
it.
that
Catch it.
smells so good. So I'm gonna add 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I am just eyeballing this. You know what I'm saying?
You trying to take my stuff, girl. You trying to take my little swag and all that, you know what I'm saying? That looks so good and it's so bubbly.
So then I'm going to just mix this all in here until it's nice and smooth. And then that's the whole recipe.
That's it?
That is
what,
it.
girl?
That
Say
is
what?
Say what?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Watch this, y'all. Let me kiss you. He likes to lick his tongue out when he gives you a kiss, and it's
But
nasty.
he's doing it in a joking way.
Hey, he knows. Usually it starts off like,
Yeah, It's really cute.
My
Now it's
God,
time for
let's
the taste test.
Oh, it looks so hot. Hot.
It is so hot. Come on, come on, come on. Come on!
Oh,
Is it good?
that's good, man.
Woohoo!
Oh, wow. That is fire. Ooh, I'm proud of you, sous chef Jess.
Oh
That
yeah.
must be a hat.
Sure. Oh my goodness. Well, it is time for me to retire the hat.
It's like a shot of chili. That's pretty good. And y'all can see I had to change the shirt, man, because it was hot up in here. I
Yeah.
don't see how you still got that sweater
Nah.
on.
If you can't handle the heat in the kitchen, then you must be a. What up?
You see, you messed it all up. Just stop. Stop, because I'm a chef.
If you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen.
You obviously had to take 2 or 3 times to say that right in the first place, so you don't know what you're talking about.
We're going to go ahead and enjoy our dinner.
Dinter.
Dinner. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next vlog. Remember, dare to be different, because what makes you different makes you beautiful.
Booyaka!